Period, poo.
I've been the same, ain't shit changed, this ain't nothing new. That pretty frame, diamond chain, what the fuck it do? Yo, clear the way, it's some bad bitches coming through. I get 2 F's like the letters that are on my shoe. Yikes, I play tag and you in for life. Yikes, you a clown.
So we are back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a hookah. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into setting up this hookah. This is the box that the hookah comes in. I bought this from a smoke shop. You can get it from any hookah spot or any spot that sells tobacco, hookah. I bought a hookah, and then this is tobacco-free herbal shisha, guava breeze. So I'm just gonna show you guys it. So it comes with tips. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tips. And then it comes with the shisha cup where you put the shisha and everything. It comes with the hookah. Two hoses. So we have 2 hoses. And then you have the tongs, and then this is to poke the hole in the foil. Rinse off the hookah, wash it thoroughly before I actually do it. And then I'm gonna put it together, back together, so we're gonna wash it. Everything, so now we're going to actually set it up. So we have the hookah bowl, the entire hookah, the shisha ceramic, the tips, the hose, and then I have some little coal here, and then I'm going to use this for you that's on the coal. So let's get into it. All right, now let's get our poppin' bomb AF hookah ready. So we're just gonna start with some coal or room temperature water. I like it cold because it gives like a, you know, more smoke and more hookah smoke. So we're gonna do coal. I just got like a regular bottle of water. I usually do, and poured it in the hookah bowl. I have to make sure, I usually do it halfway on the bowl just to make sure that the stem of the hookah is submerged. I would say like 1 inch submerged into the water, so that way when you inhale and you are smoking your hookah, that the water is blowing with the little bubbles at the bottom. We all see it when we smoke hookah. I didn't put enough water because the stem is really little on this hookah, so I just put a little bit more in, and then it was perfect. And then now what I'm doing is just tightening the hookah. We have to make sure all the parts of the hookah is tightened, because so the smoke can you know, insulate through, and we won't have any air coming through. So now we have the hookah completely set up. Now I'm going to actually get my glass ceramic cup. This is what we put the shisha in. I get tobacco-free, nicotine-free shisha, and this is the guava breeze. So now we're gonna take the shisha and we're gonna add it in here. I'm gonna add it in the bowl and leave the hole in the middle area open. So I'm gonna add it around, okay? So it's gonna look like this with the hole in the middle. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more around the area, and then we are good to go. For that, we're going to take and put aluminum foil on the ceramic shisha cup. We're gonna put the silver side down on it, okay? And then we're gonna flip it over to double it so we won't burn the shisha. And then you're just gonna fit it, get rid. You're gonna make it work. You're just gonna fit it. Tightly around. Okay. Now we're going to attach the ceramic cup to the top of the hookah. We have the two bits to tighten it so that the airflow will be good to go. So you put it on here, this way, and then we pop this on top. So before we pop this on top, I'm gonna poke holes in the aluminum foil, because that's where we're gonna place the coal. Okay, so I poked my holes. So we're just gonna place it on top. All right, y'all, back with the voiceover because I was cooking and the exhaust was on and it was making too much noise. So now we have the coal. So we are going to burn this coal, baby. I don't have a coal burner, so I got this torch. Please use at your own risk. But I'm gonna use this torch so I can light up this coal. And what I like about this coal, I bought this coal from Amazon. When you light it, it's the round coal, you light it and it lights up entirely. So once you light one side, it actually connects like a domino effect. So as you see how it's sparkling and it's lighting up, we're gonna wait until this coal baby gets about red. As you see, she's smoking already. She's looking good to go. And then I'm just gonna continue to make sure it's good to go. Once it's gray, then I know that I am good. Gray. I have a torch though. And if you see, it is turning gray, a little bit red. So we just want to get it the smoky gray so that we can start using the hookah. So now we're going to, I'm gonna put the hose on it and see if it's going to pull anything. I'm just gonna push it in on the side. What are we doing? Okay, so we have the coal, we have everything. The coal is turning gray. Now we're going to try the hookah. My tip don't fit in this. Ooh. So that is basically how you set up a hookah step by step. If I missed anything out, I don't think I did. If you want the smoke to be even stronger, you could put ice in the water at the bottom and you're filling it up. But other than that, it's already pulling strong enough. So this is going to be a cute small house hookah. But yeah, that was my hookah video. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next video, I'm out. Later.
But they got no mouth when money bag talk. It's quiet, ain't no back talk. Quiet, ain't no back talk.